Hello guys. Welcome.
So as you can see, no one has been here before.
Nice collection of the CDs.
We got a lot of vintage pieces here. Worth
Oh, Daft Punk!
a gazillion dollars.
Homework album from 1997. And of course, I actually listen to this album almost every day, so this is quite awesome. But
Axel recommends.
yes,
We got this very complete staircase. Very good.
We can maybe try, but
Kanye West.
Very smart.
Kanye West.
Oh my!
Kanye West.
More like Kanye East.
It is very good.
You will not die.
Maybe
Oh.
not.
Oh,
Okay.
the planks doesn't even bend that much. Your sexy ass. Kanye has the technique.
Two beds actually.
2 beds.
But
We only need 1 though.
they are kind of one.
So here's a piece of the car.
I never felt
I don't
so.
recommend walking a lot because
Yes.
suddenly you're not in the second floor. Look here. Very secure.
Just don't look.
Look here.
Oh yes. Very nice.
So if you see a child on the road, just run over it. Wait, no. What? Oh, this is a really old bed. Guys, it's hay in the bed.
Yes, this is actually filled with hay. This
Like-
house is probably like 150 years old.
Yeah, Connor, look at this bed. It's really old because it's filled with hay.
Yes.
And not like, oh my god, people sleep on
We
this.
got the quality stuff.
I would not be able to sleep on that. Oh my goodness.
On the sides is this maybe more supportive,
We support you.
but not
Emotionally.
Oh, but the stairs don't, so that's like the problem.
And this is the second room. Oh, with another very nice bed.
It is actually not a hay bed though. It is. It's very. Tons of coal.
Cool.
Maybe they used it for the trains, you know, for the
Or
steam
maybe
trains.
they just love coal.
Yeah, it's like a real mineral coal. Minecraft.
Real miners have been here.
Yes.
Wow.
This is a very cool place. Yes.
Yes.
I have never seen hair before. Brand new look.
Okay.
Wow, it's so amazing.
Wow. You can see so much. So this here is the other side of where we were before. Danger? That's fine. I am the danger. We are the one who knocks.
Yes. Wow. Very much sand.
Sand.
Something at the end, or is it just?
Did somebody dig down here?
Yeah.
Wow.
Very nice.
So this is the room we were in before. Just then we were up there, and now we're down here.
Wow.
Well, over here, we got the back side of where the sand was. It's walls.
Oh.
And this wall, very cool. And they test tanks here.
Yes.
And it's a
Very exciting.
Very exciting. Where we got the number 3 spot. And we got oil barrel.
No, it's lube.
Lube. Ooh. Lube is very important. What? I guess somebody actually made a hangout spot here.
Huh. I'm so glad.
What the fuck is this place? I guarantee this is a chill place for someone.
Now we're gonna go on roofs.
We could try this amazing climbing technique. Well, I don't know what he's doing, but it's something. And it's working! Wow!
The technique.
It's just insane.
I don't know how to get the camera up there so you can watch from the ground us having fun.
Der han filmer. Hva faen?
Bare ikke faen på kursen. So here is another one. A bit more broken. We are in a new spot now, and so this is a giant concrete roof.
Wow, very
Wow.
cool. Yes, I think it's from maybe from World War II.
Nazi bunker right there.
Hello guys. So this is everything. So actually nothing too exciting. Be a little more careful. I got hit by a rock. I got hit by a rock. Oh, why am I doing this? I already regret.
Oh my god.
Is somebody shooting?
Well, there is actually shooting fields nearby, so yes.
That's
But
very,
not at us.
very nice.
I don't know where. I think it's best to climb there actually, but I think that's a bit scary. I really don't regret this. Yeah. I have a plan.
You might hear some gunshots, but that is far away.
It's the nearest school now.
No,
The nearest school now.
joke about that on here.